This video is going to be a how-to to remove your brake master cylinder. So first up, there are two compression fittings on the passenger side of the brake master cylinder. So there's one here, that's where your lines connect. There are 14mm bolts, and to remove them, you're going to want to, because they can be quite corroded, give them a very sharp pull or a bit of a whack on the end of your wrench. See if you do it with authority, they come off pretty good. You got to be careful that you don't actually end up bending those lines, because that's also something that can happen pretty easily. So we're going to make sure that's on there. I'll give it a good hard pull, like that. One back in the tripod stand. There's the first one. It's a banjo bolt. There's a second one. Ooh, make sure you don't lose the copper crush washers that are on the end of these. There's one here, and there'll be one on the other side of the fitting as well. I've just dropped one of mine, so I better go fish it out. Next, there are two 12mm nuts securing the master cylinder to the firewall with studs. So I'm going to pull these up. Seems to be kind of awkward for the bottom one, so just like when I removed the clutch master cylinder from here, I'm going to use an extension and a ratchet with a 12mm socket. With the nuts off, you can kind of give it a bit of a shake, free it up from the firewall. I'm just going to double check I haven't forgotten anything. But no, it looks good. It should just pull off now. Alright, I kept rocking it back and forth and it did pop off. I don't know why it was so difficult. That seal off the end here did come. But it's just like the clutch, there's just this rod that pushes against the brake master cylinder. And you can see where brake fluid is leaked out. Ooh, that's pretty soft. I was going to say it just ate away the paint, but maybe there's a rusty spot here I need to fix too. We'll check that out. That's the brake master cylinder removed.
I'm Courier, curious, my beats are furious. Smelling way cleaner, but not getting delirious. I work on my truck, hoping to make it not suck. It'll always be slow, but at least it will go. You best not yuck my yum, cause I'm having such fun. This project is serious because new